Credit cards can be a financial double-edged sword. On one hand, they offer convenience, rewards, and the opportunity to build your credit history. On the other hand, mismanaging multiple cards can lead to financial trouble. So the question arises, how many credit cards should you have? The answer is not one size fits all. It depends on your financial goals, spending habits, and ability to manage your credit responsibly. Let's explore the factors to consider when deciding how many credit cards are right for you. Financial goals. Your financial goals play a significant role in determining how many credit cards you should have. Consider your objectives. If your primary goal is to establish or improve your credit history, you may only need 1 or 2 credit cards. If you aim to maximize rewards like cashback, travel miles, or points, you might benefit from having multiple cards with diverse rewards programs. Having separate cards for different expenses, such as one for daily purchases and another for travel, can help you budget effectively. Some people use credit cards as an emergency fund, so having multiple cards with available credit may be a priority. Spending habits. Your spending habits and lifestyle also influence the number of credit cards you should have. If you're a minimalist spender and prefer using credit cards sparingly, 1 card may suffice. Frequent travelers often benefit from having travel-specific cards with perks like airport lounge access and travel insurance. If you love shopping and want to take advantage of various store-specific rewards programs, you may have multiple retail credit cards. Entrepreneurs often have both personal and business credit cards to separate expenses and manage cash flow. Credit management skills. Your ability to manage credit responsibly is crucial. Multiple credit cards require diligence to avoid overspending and manage payments. Maintaining a flawless payment history across multiple cards is essential to protect your credit score. Keep your credit utilization below 30% on each card to avoid negatively impacting your credit score. Managing multiple cards means keeping track of various due dates, statements, and rewards programs. Credit score and history. Your credit history and score affect your eligibility for credit cards. If you have limited credit history, start with 1 or 2 cards to establish credit before applying for more. With an excellent credit score, you're more likely to qualify for premium cards with better rewards and benefits. Credit card fees. Consider the annual fees associated with each card. Some premium cards have higher fees but offer substantial rewards and benefits. Calculate whether the rewards outweigh the costs. Balancing the number of credit cards you have is essential. Too few cards may limit your rewards and credit-building opportunities, while too many can lead to overspending and financial stress. Here are some tips to help you strike the right balance. Start slowly. If you're new to credit cards or have limited credit history, start with 1 or 2 cards to establish a solid credit foundation. Evaluate your needs. Assess your spending habits, goals, and lifestyle to determine the types of cards that align with your needs. Regularly review your cards. Periodically review your credit card portfolio. Close unused or redundant cards to simplify your finances. Practice responsible credit management. Pay your bills on time, keep balances low, and avoid carrying high-interest debt on multiple cards. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit reports to ensure accuracy and detect any unauthorized activity. Seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor or credit counselor for personalized guidance on managing your credit cards. Actually, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how many credit cards you should have. It depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and ability to manage credit responsibly. Carefully assess your needs and stay disciplined in your credit card usage so that you can find the right balance that works for you and helps you achieve your financial objectives.